Today I want to share with you a story about how someone used ScoreApp to win a massive corporate client. If you would like to win big corporate clients, this video is going to break it down step by step. Now, why would you want to win a big corporate client? Because they pay a lot more money, they last a lot longer, they're not emotional about the money that they spend, and if they like what you do, they can spend infinitely more money as well. It's often the case that when you have a corporate client, the name and the brand association wins other corporate clients as well. So getting your foot in that door can be very valuable. But here's what sucks about corporate clients. They take forever to make decisions. They want to make decisions by committee, and often they don't get excited about the same things that you get excited about. If you can't back it up with data, they don't respond. So let me start by telling you the story. One of our clients does corporate consulting about happiness at work, and the value to the corporate client is it reduces employee churn. Now, corporates love this because they want to retain their talent. It's very expensive to have to replace people over and over again and have to train new people constantly. So when he talks about happiness at work, what he's really talking about is saving them a lot of time and a lot of money in hiring and training new people. Now, this particular little agency, they got in front of this big corporate brand and they said, what percentage of your team do you think are on the edge of quitting and finding another job? Now, this big brand, they were pretty confident in themselves and they said, we think it's less than 10%. And he said, what if we ran a happiness at work survey and we can actually ask them how happy you are at work, and we can even slot in a particular question that we know indicates whether people are thinking about quitting or not. So what they did is they set this up on ScoreApp. They created a beautiful landing page. They listed out 8 different questions and then they gave people a happiness at work score. But one of those 8 questions was the only question that they were paying any attention to. And the magic question they were asking people is, have you thought about quitting in the last 90 days? Now, they surveyed 150 employees, and when the results came in, they were shocking. The number of employees that were thinking about quitting was closer to 30%, not under 10% as this employer had thought. This big brand realized that they had a problem. They knew that 30% of their workforce were potentially 1 or 2 negative experiences away from quitting and finding another job, and they wanted to turn it around. As a result of that data, they were able to quickly convene a committee. They were able to explore that data and discuss that data, and they made a decision to do a big contract to fix the problem. Now, that contract was a game-changing contract for this little agency. It was a big household name brand that would ultimately go on to attract all sorts of other corporates as well. Now, this corporate, they didn't respond to the story that the agency told. They responded to the data that related to their situation. Now, once they had collected that data, they were too far in, they were too in deep to start looking around at other suppliers. They were ready to get started straight away with the company that had provided them with that data. So rather than trying to win a contract and to sell those services, all they had to do is get their foot in the door and get an agreement to survey 150 people to see if there was a problem or not. Now, these corporate clients, they happily spend 6 figures on solving problems. So if you're a little agency, that could be a game-changing client every day of the week. These big corporate clients, they think nothing about spending 6 figures to solve an important problem. So if you can highlight the important problem, you're going to be in line for a big contract. So what are the important elements that make this work? The first element is to be able to create a ScoreApp that is going to be used internally for the purposes of research within the big corporate. This is a bit different to how most people use ScoreApp. Most people use ScoreApp to generate leads from the outside world, but in this case, this agency was using ScoreApp to collect internal research and internal data from the employees within the big company. And more importantly, every single corporate they do this with, they set up a new ScoreApp just for that client. So the data is only related to that particular client. This is not a public-facing ScoreApp. This is an internal one that's used for a project. Now, I've since heard that some agencies are even charging for this process. They charge $5,000, $10,000 or $15,000 to do the deep dive activity and to do this survey and present the results. So not only are they putting themselves in line for a big corporate contract, they're getting paid to do the upfront work as well. Now, the key here is to have questions buried in the quiz questions that highlight the key problem that your business can solve. So if your business solves the problem of happiness at work, you've actually identified that there's a happiness at work problem that needs solving. ScoreApp.com is traditionally used by small businesses to go out to the marketplace and do a public-facing scorecard marketing campaign, but it works just as powerfully when you're selling to corporate and you're doing this internally. So if you've got an agency that does cybersecurity protection, A little internal scorecard that tests for cybersecurity weaknesses is going to help you win that big contract. Maybe your agency helps people to sort out HR contract issues. Well, having an internal scorecard that helps people to identify that those issues exist is going to be the key to unlocking those big contracts too. I've since seen this strategy used by an agency that does environmental solutions. They went into the big corporate who thought that they were doing all the best practices, and they were able to highlight that there were 7 or 8 major things that they were doing to not achieve their green goals. And once again, it unlocked a massive corporate contract in order to solve those problems. It works again and again and again and again. Corporates respond to the data about their organization, not just your stories about other organizations. Now, one thing that most corporates have in common is that they refuse to admit publicly that there are problems going on under their nose. And this process surfaces those problems so that they can be talked about, discussed, and solved. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like and leave me a comment below how you're going to use this to win some more business. Maybe forward this on to someone that you know that should be winning more business from big corporate clients. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you soon.